better come on into my kitchen. Yeah, it's going to be raining. I don't.
They cost $7 for 3 red onions. I said, I'm not doing it. I don't care. I'm not doing it. So I went over to Lucky's, and these look, you see, these look nice. These look, and they're very firm, which the others weren't. And so this was $3.46. But it's all that El Nino they keep telling me. Yeah, the lettuces are, you know, we need to get. What does it say about how we cut these?
Quartered onions.
All right.
Quartered, yes, and cut the potatoes in half.
Okay.
3 medium red onions cut in half.
We're doubling it because we've got that much more chicken. And here, I'm going to.
You want like 2 people do onions, and we'll do some around.
Let's see. What else do we need? The
Potatoes.
Yeah, I want to wash the potatoes.
Oh, okay. They haven't been washed.
I haven't been washed.
I'll wash them.
Are big. And then we'll get them
That's
all in
anything, huh?
tile, and we'll we'll drizzle olive oil and salt and pepper all over. In fact,
I'm gonna go again with these because it's so.
Yeah, we need to have them oiled and salt and pepper. Here, yeah, let's just kind of cute. I'll put it on your hands and then.
Sure. Molly, do you hurt?
This is sort of like desensitizing.
That's for that other cookbook.
Where? Oh, yes.
Just on the sides? You just
Wherever.
want these on the sides, like this?
Yeah, just like that.
Okay. This is easy.
Right. And then down the other end.
Okay.
And then we'll pile the chicken. Now,
And I haven't salt and peppered that chicken. I just oiled.
All right.
We didn't salt and pepper the onions either. Is that
Oh, I didn't. Yeah, that's right. Should I salt and pepper the onions?
Yeah.
Salt and pepper, huh?
That's good. And if you need more, tell me.
Now, what about this chicken? What do we do?
We're
with
going
that?
to. We need to get that oiled too.
I did oil that.
Oh, did
that
you?
was
Okay.
oiled.
That's been oiled.
All right. I wanted to show you what I did. This chicken, these pieces, for instance, I took them out, rinsed them, and patted them dry, and they cut off all these fatty pieces off of all of this. And I wanted to show you about doing that. So you just trim. You don't want any. There. Okay.
That one can be oiled now?
Yeah, it can be oiled. Yeah. Okay.
So these are really oiled. So
They're
they should
really
be all
oiled,
set.
yeah.
So just put them on top?
Yeah, put them on top, and then
Like
we'll
this?
spray. Yeah, just like that. Skin side up, and then we'll lightly sprinkle salt and pepper over that. Okay. Do you want some butter and honey or something? Here you do.
So are those
Well, this looks easy.
chicken pieces with bones in
This
them?
I can
Yeah,
do.
they've got bones in them.
The same
That's
day.
quick.
And
Can you do it
2
without
days
bones? I know that-
early?
Yeah, you
Sometimes
can.
have the big,
You
bags
just
of
don't want to
frozen
cook them as
chicken
long.
at Trader Joe's. I mean, they're
Yeah,
boneless.
if you have no bone in it, it would cook probably in 20 minutes in a 450.
Okay.
It would cook
Now,
more
do you want me to
quickly.
put some thighs because I couldn't cover everything?
Yeah, we need some thighs. We've got a lot of chicken.
You want me to
What
oil
else?
again?
There's some herbs or something. What is it?
Rosemary.
Rosemary.
Oh my God, you want to do
Garlic.
rosemary and garlic?
Oh, yeah.
Sure.
All right.
Can we go get rosemary?
Yeah. If there's some scissors to cut it, I'll grab it right here. If you need bigger ones, they're in the. Here they are, Bill. You probably. All right.
Move that stuff away from me when I'm oiling. This oiling is messy stuff. Now, am I going to salt and pepper and rosemary this? I mean, you going to put the rosemary on top, or do I mix it in?
Well, we'll kind of put it all over and
Okay.
poke it under too.
Okay.
Where's the garlic?
Oh, here. Here. Maybe just, well, if you can peel, I don't know, there's no such thing as too much. You know, if you take the broad side of a knife and press down, you can loosen this too. We've got that other little tricky thing. Down underneath everything?
No.
Well, we need to do that too, so everything gets something. Yeah. Here.
smells good.
I do love rosemary. Do you have access to rosemary fresh in the store?
You can get it
Oh,
fresh.
sure, you can.
Yeah.
So easy to grow too.
Yeah.
I don't know, Rover. You allowed biscuits?
I got plenty in here if you need more.
Rosemary?
Yeah. You want more?
Probably,
Yes.
yeah, so I can get some on
Some
that stuff
underneath.
Okay. Give me that.
And then we need to lightly salt and pepper all this. Can't
Oh,
not
right.
do
I
that.
see no pepper. Yeah.
Yeah. Wait a minute here.
I'll let you go.
Oh, thank you. Age before the age.
Cool.
Yep, we got all this paper now.
Okay. Looks beautiful.
All right, we're going to put this in.
You can serve a gang.
Wait, that's what I'm saying. And 2 chickens, I mean, you can do, a lot.
Did you cut them up yourself?
No, they came like that. But I did wash them, and,
She didn't buy whole chicken. She bought thighs. She bought thighs. And
Yeah, that's what I meant.
Right.
I confused you by saying that. I really did not. That's wet enough. Got to get in the middle there. No, I think it needs more, but we'll see.
That olive oil,
Dripping.
really, that's what makes it that color.
It does help. It really helps it. Yeah.
Where's that
little knife? I just put it up here. Let's see. But I have a feeling it's going to take longer due to the amount.
Yeah.
Or,
Excuse me.
see what here. Yes, it is. I'll show you, so you'll know. See,
Oh, yeah.
it needs another 15 anyway.
Okay.
I need to get some
It'll
of
last
this
15
liquid
minutes
out
in
of
the
here,
But yeah.
because as it drips, it's going to go over. It's going over now. A little.
Huh. And that all that moisture comes from.
Well, the juices of the chicken too. Just wait a minute here.
Chicken au jus.
Yeah.
Ooh, that could be good. Is there a little sauce there? Ooh, look,
Yeah.
what about-
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Thank you.
Can we do some of that?
Yes. Make wonderful. We should make some kind of sauce.
Oh, yeah.
There.
And so you
I'll show
don't
it
want
to
to
you.
keep any of the liquid in there?
Well, we've got some.
No.
I still couldn't get. Oh yeah, we've got quite a bit in there.
Okay.
So we'll put this back. Set the timer for another, certainly 15, and look at it again. Oops. Yeah, I do.
No, she cut it.
Okay, yeah, the time is probably right for that quantity, and the chicken's real tight together.
See, there's
So it's
too
just
much
taking-
mass there, so no heat's going all around the pieces. Now, I want, I'd say at least, I'm going to leave it there. Got that one down. Now, what do you want? Okay. Now, let's see what this chicken is doing.
Well, they're chickens.
I think we're done.
This looks good to me.
Yeah.
Oh,
There.
beautiful.
I think
I'm thinking,
that's got to be done.
oh yeah,
Now,
beautiful.
there.
I think these are fine.
Let's see. Yeah, they look good. They look
Yeah.
good.
So we're getting
Let
some-
me take a fork.
Mhm.
Wait 1 second.
Those-
They're still cooking because the heat, it's
Yeah.
electric. That's a very tricky thing sometimes to do.
It is,
that.
yeah. Yeah,
Do you have any
it is.
secrets about that?
Well, it's just that it's not easy, but it's the only way you can do
It's the only
it.
way you can do it, yeah.
You better come on into my kitchen.